Hi everyone, welcome to day 7 of our incredible 30 days Pilates journey. I'm so happy to be here with you, focusing on the powerhouse core strength and stability. Grab your yoga block and then let's dive in. But first, how's your posture feeling today? Any tight spots or niggles? Drop a comment and let me know. We are all in this together. Alright, let's kick off with our warm-up. Find your way to the mat, knees bent, feet flat. Pop one hand on your chest, the other hand on your belly. Take a deep, juicy breath in. Feel the ribcage expand like a balloon. Let's ride this breath wave for a few more rounds. Let the air fill your belly and then your chest, and exhale through the mouth. This helps you release all the tensions on your shoulder and your neck area. Reach those arms up to the ceiling, like you are trying to touch the sky. As you exhale, gently melt your lower back into the mat. Inhale and release. Remember, we are not pressing into our feet here. It's all about the subtle pelvic tilt without squeezing those glutes. This little move is a magic for releasing the tensions in those hips and lower back area. Next up, keep both legs bent. We are going to open one knee out to the side, and then extend that leg long as you exhale. Bring it home to start. We are going to do 5 reps, and then reverse the directions. Switch legs and repeat the same movement. Inhale as you open and extend. Exhale to engage those abs and bring it back. Feel that control. Great job everyone! Time to flip to our side for the leg lift series. Rest your heads on the yoga block or bottom arms, whatever feels good for you. Exhale to lift that top leg, toes point like a dancer. Inhale to lower and flex that ankle. Let's keep going for 10 reps. Now, let's get circular. We're going to do 10 leg circles in one direction. Feel those outer hips firing out, right? Let's switch up. Reverse those directions. Start with small and then gradually increase the range. Engage abdominal to maintain the stability of your upper body. Next challenge, lift the top leg, bring the bottom leg to meet it, and then lower both legs together. We are aiming to do 10 reps here. Now both legs living together for 10 more. Imagine your inner thighs are super glued, no separation. Now extend the bottom arm long, lift both legs, and let's get bended. Side bend that upper body. We are going for that perfect banana shape. Hello, obliques. Let's repeat all the movements on the other side. Time for a quick breath. Roll onto your belly. How are those hips feeling? Burning or energized? Alright, let's sit up for spine stretch forward. Perch on the yoga block to help find your neutral spine. Inhale to prepare, then exhale as you roll forward, creating the beautiful C curve. Inhale to stack it back up. Keep those shoulders soft and the core engaged. You are doing great. Another quick break, checking with your core, any area feeling particularly worked or released. Last but not least, it's a sail time. Start sitting, knee bend, feet lifted. Maintain the C curve as you roll back and forward. Feeling stable? Try those 3 foot claps at the bottom as you roll down and at the top when you roll up. This move is a core and spine superstar. Wow, what a section! You absolutely crushed day 7. How's everyone feeling about their practice so far? Don't forget to join me tomorrow for day 8. Keep shining, keep moving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I see you tomorrow.